Okay, guys, let's look at today's work. So we're on week 5. Oh my goodness. So this says, write the best word from the box. So we only have 2 words, okay? Me and myself. So this says, I baked a cake by me. I baked a cake by myself. Myself. Okay? Please give me a piece of pie. Please give myself a piece of pie. Me. Insert a comma where needed. Okay, we did dates last week, so we know that we need a comma. Oh my goodness, excuse me. We need a comma between the day and the year. So we're going to put a comma right here. And a comma is the one that hangs down. It's not up in the air. Okay? We need 2 more commas. So when we write a letter and we put dear grandma, dear mom, dear Miss Hendricks, anybody, it's dear the person, and then we put a comma. Okay? Thank you for the gift. It was the best present ever. Love, Sarah. So when we put in an ending, love, yours truly, your friend, whatever we put it, and then we put a comma. So we have 3 commas, one in the date, one after grandma, and then one after love. Okay, let's edit our sentence. We need a capital letter. Our teacher is spelled correctly. Is spelled correctly. Okay, so here's a proper noun. Mrs. Woods is the entire proper noun. So Mrs. Woods, we have to capitalize this M. And then we need a period because this is an abbreviation. Okay? Woods, that's her name. Capitalize that W. And then we're going to end with a period. Okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in this sentence that we had to correct. So if this sentence is on your quiz on Friday, that's 5 points right there. So you've got to make sure you're doing your sentences correctly, okay? So this says circle the words with the same root word. So a root word is just the base word, okay? A lot of times in the English language, we add prefixes and suffixes and past tense things, which are really suffixes, okay? We add all kinds of affixes to our words, and affixes is just suffixes and prefixes combined. So I'm going to separate these words from the root word and their suffixes. So walking, the base word for walking is walk. The root word for talked is talk. Okay, so ed means past tense. Ing is usually present tense, like now. I'm walking down the hall. I am talking to you. So circle the words with the same root word. Okay, do you see them? Talking and talked. So we're going to circle those. Okay, now on your paper, you do not have to do this. Okay, if you were in class on paper, you would, but on Seesaw, you don't have to. Just we're going to recognize our root words. Okay, this week, our book is the Salamander Room, and we're working with adjectives. I love how this just happens to work out, okay? So an adjective, you remember from a couple of weeks ago, describes the noun, whether it's the person or the thing. So Sally wore a cute dress, which is a describing word here. It's cute. What kind of dress? A cute dress. So we're going to circle cute, okay? Don't circle the word a. We're just going to circle cute. Okay? If you need to highlight it or underline it on Seesaw, that's fine. I understand circles are kind of hard on Seesaw. Brad rides the fastest bike, which is a describing word. Fastest. It describes noun, the bike, which is the noun. Okay? Great job. Remember, if you're doing your work and you don't quite remember, come back and watch this video again. That's okay.